Hey friends, welcome back to channel. In today's video we will discuss about my top 10 romance anime similar to Clannad. And like always I'm uploading daily new videos. So if you are new on this channel, be sure to subscribe and press the notification bell icon. And if you enjoyed this video, then please show your love by likes and comments. Okay friends, without wasting any more time, let's get start this video. Number 10, Hyuga, 2012, episode 22, Dub No. The genre is mystery, romance, school, slice of life. Energy conservative high school student Hotaru Oreki ends up with more than he bargained for when he signs up for the classic club at his sister Bia's, especially when he realizes how deep-rooted the club history really is. Oreki is dragged into an investigation concerning the 45-year-old mystery that surrounds the club room. Accompanied by his fellow club members, the knowledgeable Satoshi Fukue and stern but benign Mayaka Iraba and ever-curious Iru Chitanda. Oreki must combat deadlines and lack of information with resourcefulness and hidden talent in order to not only find the truth buried beneath the dust of work created years before them, but of other small side cases as well. Number 9, Ituzara no Case, 2008, episode 25, Dub No. The genre is comedy, romance, shoujo. When her newly built home is razed to the ground by an earthquake, low-achieving, clumsy, and troublesome third-year high school student Kotoko Ahihara is forced to share a roof with the school and possibly Japan's smartest student Naoki Ire. Kotoko is not actually a complete stranger to Ireku. Unfortunately, a single love letter that she tried to give him in the past has already sealed her fate as far as is concerned. Throw in some quickly friends and a meddlesome mother, Kotoko might not even have a snowball chance in hell of winning off the older Ire boy hurt. Yet Kotoko remains optimistic that because she now lives in his house, her unendurable crush on the genius since the beginning of the school has never been more than within its reach. Number 8, Myself Yourself, 2007, episode 13, Dub No. The genre is drama, romance, school. In the peaceful little town of Sakuruna Mori, a group of young friends are about to bid farewell to one of their own. Due to his parents' business plan, Sana Hidaka has to move away from his quiet childhood home to a boisterous city of Tokyo. Though it pains him, he must say goodbye to his precious friend, but even though he is reluctant to leave them behind, he believes that no matter how far apart they are, they will always cherish the memories of their friendship. 5 years later, Sana, now a 16-year-old high school student, returns to his hometown with the hope of restoring his old life. However, he quickly realizes that although his town may not have changed drastically, the friends he left behind are not who they used to be. Unsettling shadows loom over Sakuruna Mori as his friends hold new secrets and bear burden that threaten the bonds they once shared. Number 7, Kanon, 2006, episode 24, Dub Yes. The genre is drama, romance, slice of life, supernatural. As a young child, Aizawa Yuchi has often visited his cousin in the city. However, something drastic happened to keep him away for 7 long years. Now Yuichi returns. His memories of those days are simply gone. Settling into the wintry town, Yuichi comes across several young girls, all of whom are connected to his past. As he befriends them and continues to interact with them, the long-forgotten memories from his childhood begin to resurface. Number 6, Air, 2005, episode 15, Dub No. The genre is drama, romance, slice of life, supernatural. Yukito Konasaki is on a journey in search of the winged maiden who was bound to the sky centuries ago, after hearing an old childhood tale from his mother. As Yukito shows his puppet show to people in an attempt to make some money, he finds himself in a small town in which he did not expect to stay very long. However, when he meets an unusual girl named Misujo, things take a drastic turn as he is invited to stay with her. By staying in the quarantine town, Yukito soon becomes friends with the local. As he gets to know them better, he learns of their problems and decides to help. Putting his search for the winged maiden on hold, With his search on hold and his growing attachment to Misujo and the small town, will Yukito ever find the winged maiden? Or she is closer than he thought? Number 5, Anohana, 2011, Episode 11, W.S. The genre is drama, romance, slice of life, supernatural. Jinta Yadomi is peacefully living as a recluse, spending his days away from school and playing video games at home instead. One hot summer day, his childhood friend Miyako Manma Honma appears and pesters him to grant a forgotten wish. He pays her no mind, which annoys her, but he doesn't really care. After all, Manma already died years ago. At first, Jinta thinks that he is merely hallucinating due to the summer heat, but he is later on convinced that what he sees truly is the ghost of Manma. Jinta and his groups of childhood friends grew apart after her untimely death, but they are drawn together once as more they try to lay Manma's spirit to rest. Reliving their plan and guilt, will they able to find the strength to help not only Manma move on but themselves as well? Number 4, 5 cm per second, 2007. Episode 1, W.S. The genre is drama, romance, slice of life. What happens when two people love each other but just are not meant to be together? Takaki Tono and Akari Shinohara are childhood friends, but circumstances beyond their control tear them apart. They promise to stay in contact, and also the progression of time widens the distance between them. The chain of memories remain ever present. 5 cm per second is a romantic drama that focuses on the mundane and harsh reality of long distance relationship. Stuck in the past and unable to make any new memories, Takaki and Akari cling to the hope of seeing each other again. They live their everyday life half-heartedly, both hurting themselves and the people around them. Number 3, My Teen Romantic Comedy Snafu, 2016, Episode 40, W.S. The genre is comedy, romance, school. This romantic comedy revolves around an antisocial high school student named Hikigaya Hachimen, with a distorted view on life and no friends or girlfriend. When he sees his classmates talking excitedly about their living their adolescent lives, he mutters, "They are a bunch of liars." When he is asked about his future dreams, he responds, "Not working." A teacher gets Hachimen to join the volunteer service club, which happens to have the school prettiest girl, Yukino Shita Yukino. Number 2, The Melancholy of Harui Suzumiya, 2006, Episode 28, W.S. The genre is comedy, mystery, parody, school, romance, slice of life. On the first day of high school, a beautiful girl named Harui Suzumiya introduces herself as having no interest in ordinary humans. She asks for any aliens, time travelers, sliders, or aspire to join her. Watching her weird behavior is Kyo, who is sitting in the front of Harui and the only person who talks to her. When Kyo comments about Harui joining every club in school and then quitting, he unwittingly gives Harui an idea to start her own after-school club. Thereafter, Kyon and several others find themselves dragged literally into the same our world by overloading it. With fun, Suzumiya Harui Brigade, the SOS Brigade for short. Number 1, Your Lie in April, 2014, Episode 22, W.S. The genre is drama, music, romance, school, shonen. Music accompanies the path of human metronome, the prodigious pianist Koichi Arima. But after the passing of his mother, Shaki Arima, Koichi falls into the downward spiral, rendering him unable to hear the sound of his own piano. 2 years later, Koichi still avoids the piano, leaving her behind his admirers and rivals, and lives a colorless life alongside his friend Tashubaki Sawabe and Ryota Watari. However, everything changes when he meets a beautiful violinist, Kairi Miyazono, who stirs up his world and set him on a journey to face music again. I hope friends all of you enjoyed this video, and if you really enjoyed this video, then please show your love by likes and comments. And I'm uploading video daily, so if you don't want to miss any of my video, be sure to subscribe our channel and press the notification bell icon. Thank you so much friend. See you in the next video.